Okay, y'all, this is about to be the most honest and authentic and throwing it all out there as I've ever been on the internet before. Um, I don't even know where to start. Blah, 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 blah. So this is my inventory room, mostly. Everything on this side of the room is photographed and listed. Same with a couple of these bins. I'm genuinely nervous to show you everything that is behind and on this side of the room. And this is just one room. So I guess let me just start at the beginning. Recently, my mom passed away, and she was a bit of a hoarder. And while I have lived away from home for a while now, my partner and I travel for work, and I am back in my childhood home for the next couple of months where my dad still lives. And I'm kind of making it a mission of mine to help him clean some stuff out. And oh, I'm getting the chills. Ooh, tears. um, and in doing so, I want to try and see what I can resell. That's kind of the point of why I'm coming into this channel, putting it on the internet, whatever. Because I know that there's a lot of good stuff hidden away in these boxes and bins that we have so many of, that I can make some profit. And he can make some profit, and we can feel good about where we're doing these, where we're putting these things instead of just throwing things into a landfill. We can make some money, help cover some costs, get things to good homes. I know that there's some collectibles. We've got a lot of random Funko Pops, a lot of Friends memorabilia. I love Lucy, Disney stuff. There's a lot. And I'm never a big fan of not editing videos. I'm probably just going to upload this raw footage to the channel, which I never do. I am just very much, it's out of my comfort zone a little bit. Because I do have my main channel, Live and Large with L Crew. But this journey, I am not planning on advertising at all. I'm just going to have it uploaded on this channel, Out of the Box Thrift, documenting the experience, cleaning out the home of a hoarder, trying to make some money on it, seeing what we can make money on, what we might not be worth it to try. So that I can also offer valuable information to you, to the people watching this. I don't know if anyone will watch this. I don't know if 1,000 people will watch this or 10 million, you just never know, especially because I won't be advertising anything that I have this channel. Hi, if people that are watching, thank you for being here. So yeah, the next few videos, who knows how much, the next few months, I'm really going to be cracking down and trying to make sense of this home a little bit, trying to make it a home again rather than a storage unit, and hopefully make some money in the meantime. So I guess I'll just give you a quick little tour of where I'm at right now. This is what I call this the warehouse room. This once upon a time was a spare bedroom that at one point was kind of a craft room, kind of became storage, kind of became my inventory room when I was able to move some things around. But it's a big house for one person living here and a lot of crap. So I guess let me just do a quick little rundown and we'll make that the video. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing this journey, make sure to subscribe, stick around. And yeah, so here, I'll flip the camera a little bit. Okay. So all of these bins, I have got these up here, or no. See, this is where it gets confusing. Everything makes sense in my head. What's in here, anything that's labeled is listed inventory. So this whole bin, this is extra storage from the family that we just have around. All of that. Listed inventory. Also extra storage down here at the bottom. All of this is listed. All of these bins are listed. Everything here beyond is listed inventory. Gets hot in here, so I have a fan. I have a couple clothing racks. There's one out in the hallway as well at the moment. I've got some more listed inventory. Oh no, this is keepsake stuff. See? Good thing we label. But all of these shoes are listed inventory. I think that kind of covers the listed inventory here in the room. And then I also have all of this that is inventory, maybe things that need to be gone through. All of this here, all of these bins beyond this one are things that this is a donation bag. Waiting till it gets full to donate it. But this all needs to be worked through and figured out. What are we going to do with it? I think we're going to end up donating a lot of these to like the women's shelter nearby, just because we have bed sheets and towels and blankets that we just truly have no room for. We have so many in our camping storage already. There's some more keepsakey stuff that I need to go through. I believe this bin is all like stuff that I could list that I think I could possibly make some money on. I know we have a lot of like Y2K stuff in there, some precious moments if those are worth anything, and a lot of things that need to be worked through. So welcome to this new segment of Out of the Box Thrift. I haven't been active on this channel in a while, pretty much only with shorts because of my Instagram account, but I think that posting this here will hold me accountable a little bit as well. And so that's kind of what I'm going for. I really want to take my free time this summer of being here, being able to help someone, help my dad, and also just, like I said, make some money because I'm not getting like an additional full-time job while I'm around here. That's confusing. Our whole work situation's a little confusing, but I do talk about it a little more on my main channel. So I'm plugging that. Go follow Live Large Style Crew. But yeah, this will be the channel where I talk about and go through all the things. Whew. Okay, that's a non-edited video, 6 minutes and 11 seconds of raw footage, so I'll pretty much stop it here. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for all of the updates because there will be a lot. I'm pretty dang sure, so thanks for coming by. I was going to say keep living large, but that's for the other channel. Okay, talk to you later.